Watch this. Something feels off, right? Why bad sound ruins good films. You can forgive a slightly soft shot, but bad sound? The audience checks out in seconds. Good image plus bad sound equals bad film. Listen to the scene before sound design and after. Hear the difference. At Annapurna, students learn how to listen like professionals, from recording on set to designing sound in post. Record, design, mix. Because great cinema isn't just what you see. It's what you hear without even realizing it. Sound equals invisible storytelling. Obsessed with how films sound? Comment sound to know more.